Before the day pulls you in every direction, before the scheduled alarm in your calendar starts to beep and the cares of others take you there, carve out a few moments just for you. Starting your day with stillness shows you the support and strength you already possess. God issues stillness as a command, not a request. Be still and know that I am God. To be still requires us to be intentional, to enter into the womb of God's presence, to stop, to unplug, to reconnect. When we stop, unplug, and reconnect, we serve from a place of overflow. Because you're beginning on full, everything you touch flows better. So let's begin our day not with demands, but by sitting in God's grace because you deserve it. Lord, the busyness of life always seems to squeeze its way into our head and heart. Our mind tends to race and our hands feel idle if there's nothing to do. Help us to understand the be and your command to be still. Help us to be an extension of your being as opposed to an unfocused doer. Lord, teach us that we have power, purpose, and that we can find it in your divine stillness. And it is so.